I'm going to show you the steps to go through to create a group to help you track the students that are in your class. First of all, go to People, and in People you'll see all the students in your class. Add a group set. I usually just call it Registered. You could call it anything. And then add a group, and I give it the same name, Registered, meaning the students that are registered in my course. And then I add each student to the registered group that I just created. And then I can open that group and I can see all of the students in my class. Now, if a student were to drop the course, when I came in here to check, I would see the word inactive right here. So let's say that this student dropped the course and it says inactive here. I would just drag that student over here and take them out of my registered group. And then that would reduce the number of students that I have in my course. I would then go also to my sheet, whatever sheet I'm using, to remove them from my sheet and make sure that the number in the sheet is the same as the number of students that I have over here. And then I would just, every day, at least once a day, or more often, I would come into People, and then I would go to the registered group, and I would look and see if any new students have shown up here. Because if a new student is added to the course, then I can just drag that student back into the group. That increments the number of students I have. I would go to my sheet and add the student to the sheet, and would also send the student a new email welcoming the student to class. So that's how you do it.